Greetings of the day to all the delegates, visitors, and exhibitors. I, Samir Bhatnagar, want to introduce you first to the company and then to the product presentation of this company. We Trinitron Group of companies started in 1983 and had held the honor of being among the pioneering institutes of India in developing end-to-end solution in automation, catering to the field of energy, mechatronics, electronics, software, and seating solutions for the industry and domestic sector in India and abroad. With a rich experience and rapid growth in industrialization and globalization subsequently, we expanded multifolds to match up with the growth rate of the globally fastest growing Indian economy. We again welcome all the delegates to go along with us on the journey of our product presentation. To start with, as I had already told you, we are a approximately 4 decade old company which has been working rigorously on the power distribution panels, product development, energy and product management and monitoring. And we have got an in-house consultancy facility also available for EV solution and seating systems. We have got a vast experience in the manufacturing background. We have got 3 manufacturing plants, one situated in Bilaspur, Haryana, one is in Noida, and one is in Greater Noida. Our head office is in Delhi, and our innovation cell, which we have recently started pre-Corona time, is in Gurgaon, DLF Corporate Greens. Now, coming to the main agenda, that is the product presentation. Our philosophy is your problems is our mantra. That means we basically focus on your problems and pain areas, and we try to convert it into a solution to help you ease your problems and pains and have a more systematic and easy way of working. When we go through our long range of product offerings, we are working on a turnkey and greenfield projects which involve civil, power, and utilities altogether, consultancy in electrical and electronic softwares, solution design for and development of product lines, fast prototyping in plastic, metal, and food grades, process automation for manual and automated solutions, air curtain automation, which is required for a greenhouse effect reduction, lock management system, that is keyless entry systems for different facilities. Apart from this, when we talk about the automation part, we go for the online energy monitoring system and controls, online thermal monitoring systems and controls. Then also we have load management system and controls and end-on systems, display of faults. These are the basic requirements of the industry nowadays. Adding to the same line, we have got alarm monitoring systems, smart switching systems, power switch board panels, LED light automation for monitoring and alerts. When we talk about the different other projects what we have done and successfully completed, it's wind power roof extraction power generation, software solution design and softwares for the automotive industry as well as for uh, other domestic industry, water monitoring system, irrigation management system, basement air circulation system, ground resistance measurement earthing system, thermal and humidity monitoring system, rainwater harvesting management system, and measurement of air components like NOx, SOx, CO, CO2, HC in the ambient or in the office premises. Then we have got an automated seating system, manual and electronically controlled. As far as the R&D strength goes, we have got a lot of pillars in our code, starting from the reverse engineering or 3D fast prototyping tools to technology transfer for localization, long-term available guarantee, raw material selection tooling for manufacturing, mechanical electronic designing, in-house product designing and development, fast prototyping design and implementation, modular customized OEM solutions, IoT web applications, Android and iOS applications, RTOS and embedded, real-time data loggers, database management. For this R&D, we have got a big team which is working round the clock to give the solution to our clients and ease of the pains. When we talk about customized software solutions, we work on basically the cycle of 6 parts. It starts from planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing and integration, and maintenance. So the complete software design cycle we follow, and we are already catering to number of clients for giving them the software solution. It might be for the automation, it might be for process automation, it might be for data analytics, and so on. When we talk about seed development, these are few glimpses from our Bilaspur plant, where we are manufacturing seats and supplying it to T1 suppliers to all the OEMs in automotive industry. This is the automation and process control which is used in our systems. When we talk about the power panels, we have got a lot of offerings to give, starting from the power control centers to switchboard cabinets, PLC based panels, relay control panels, capacitor panels, numerical relay panels, and so forth. When we talk about the energy monitoring system, we have got a state-of-art energy, multiple energy source synchronization, all power sources information on a click of a button, power optimization through artificial intelligence, monitoring the health of all the devices which are present in the premises related connected with the energy. Control of facility can be done through a remote, minimum manpower intervention required, and all the statistics and all the data is there on the database for the backend calculation as well as design decision making. Then we have got another system which is called alarm monitoring system. It monitors all the critical parameters like fire, temperature, humidity, AC status, DG status, etc. etc. It gives a real-time updation on the server of the status of the different parameters coming from the different systems. It has got an IoT platform to monitor and give the alarms on the fly. Escalation of in case of any further intervention is required is done automatically through the IoT platform or through the application software. Customized IoT platforms as per the customer need is our forte. Now coming to the thermal and humidity monitoring system. This system has been designed specifically for the server rooms where monitoring and controlling of temperature and humidity is a must. So we have designed the systems which can monitor 24 by 7, 365 days a year, the temperature and humidity, and it records all the information in the real time. It provides you all the updated status on the IoT platform as well as application. It generates the alarm if required, and customized IoT platform depending upon the need and the user application. Another vertical which we are holding is the smart switch and smart lock. These are a futuristic smart switches design. It's a real-time updation of the status of the switches on the server. It is connected to the IoT platform to monitor and control the switches on a fly through your mobile. Escalation of cases in case further intervention is needed. Suppose your children are there alone in the house and they require some intervention, so you can control the complete switch system through your mobile. Customized IoT platform depending upon the domestic or industrial use. Then we have got a load management system which talks about balancing the complete load system, whether it is coming from the main grid, coming from the solar, coming from genset, synchronizing everything, synchronizing the complete load so that the optimization can be done, and it results in a lot of power saving as well as cost saving for the industry. It consists of power panels, power control, switchboard, capacitor panels, and manual relay panels. We have been supplying end-on systems to all the OEMs, which gives the information about the faults coming in the production line, different alert messages, different green signals for the perfect working, and so forth. Coming to the new system, which is a RGB automation for guides and alerts. Nowadays, earlier it was the yellow line, which was used for guiding the pathways and other things. But eventually, when the LED technology developed, LED has become one of the primary source of lighting. Using this technology, we have designed a complete guiding and alert system for domestic as well as industrial use, which can be used in case of emergency for evacuation, as well as for can be used for decoration for household activity, or maybe for conference halls and premises in the office. Another in the line is the earthing resistance management, which connects all the earthing arrangements of the facility at one point and gives you IoT information about each and every earthing pit. It gives the health of the pit, it gives you the information about the earthing resistance values on the fly, so that you know which particular pit requires your attention immediately. Similar on those lines, when we talk about the next element is a water element. Nowadays, water footprint is one of the key words used around the globe. Keeping that in mind, we have designed our water monitoring system, which is basically controlling all the water wastage, trying to reuse the water, and monitoring the complete footprint of the water in your premises. It helps to reduce the complete water requirements as well as the natural resource. Also helps us to reduce the cost to the company by reducing the water load. In line with the water management, we have got a water alarm monitoring system which can be used for controlling all the overhead tanks as well as underground tanks if there is any problems or anything related to the level management. Then we have got a rainwater harvesting system, which is also an automated system which connects all the different ducts coming from the rainwater harvesting duct lines to the main block, where it controls and checks that everything is in line and the water is actually going inside the earth. And if required, the water from one pit can be pumped to the other pit in case one pit is not able to absorb all the water. This helps that we can improve the water table in the complete premises equally. Adding to the same line, we have got an irrigation management system. This works on a different type of technologies like drip irrigation, sprinklers, and so many others. What we use is a STP reused water, which can be connected to this and recirculated to do the irrigation. It also checks for the requirement of the water depending upon the plantation we have done, so that there is no excess or less water in the irrigation and the plant can have a very healthy life. Thank you. In the same line, after water, we have got air. So we have designed the system for the measurement of air components like NOx, SOx, CO, CO2, and HC in the factory premises as well as on the basements. This helps us to cater to a requirement that the air is healthy enough for the humankind which is working there, as well as for the machine if they require some sort of air like DG sets and others. In the same line, we have got a basement air circulation system in which we measure the different components of the gases which are present in the air, and accordingly the automated system controls the inflow and exhaust to regulate the complete air and maintain the quality level of the air for the breathing purpose. After air, when we talk about sky, we have got a cloud-based surveillance system by drones. This system is under development, and maybe within, say, a year or so, we will be coming out with this particular product line. With this, I want to bring an end to my presentation. Thank you so much for your kind attention. And I must say, अकेले निकले थे, लोग मिलते गए, कारवा बनता गया. Thank you so much.